So y'all was listening to Tootsie?
What you patting out?
Hmm?
What you patting out?
Patties.
Sausage? What's this for?
Dinner.
When?
Today.
What else we having?
Whatever I find.
Why do you keep such a dirty house? Okay. You like being on camera?
Nope.
Well, okay then. Well, leave you alone. There you are. Wonder who's going to win that game. Having a queue. It's a little family get together. Got to get that pool stuff gathered up, put together. Done some yard work yesterday. Sprayed the fence line. What we got going on? Yeah. Some of that. Good, juicy. You want me to start that? Huh? Hey, Mackley. You don't know how to ride this. Do you? Apparently, I don't know how to start it.
I know how to. Well,
Turn it on.
that's what.
Hey, go slow. You already got that on there? Yeah. Yeah, it drives it like she
boom, 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 bouncing all over the yard.
She drives it like the Duke boys. Boy, it sure is pretty, but man, it's hot.
You drive your car through and you doing
Come on, Nat. Sort of be fun.
Hey, when I was wanting to emergency run, I said that.
Okay. You don't even have to wear your seatbelt.
Well, not no, because y'all be squished in there like sardines.
Huh? What's that say? I don't know. It'll be a little hot.
I know.
He thinks she's Ricky.
She got her side by side for the yard.
Oh, she wants me to get one.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm like, no.
See that photo with the hair.
You see how close that was, dude? Like for real, for real.
That was, I mean, that was
And it ain't
really,
even the little kids.
yes, exactly, dude. That was like for real, super close, dude. Hey, we take that Jeep tomorrow and get that red crap off of it. I put on there when we bought it. Yeah. They're going to detail all of the rigs. They're, for the Jeep, the Expedition, and my truck, and Paris's car, they're going to take that red off his too. It's $1,200. Because they're going to have to do some buffing on that. Whatever them damn hinges are or whatever. When they take the red off.
Hunter painted the truck last night, his first one.
Did he?
Yeah. Red on yellow killer film.
Yeah, they're sucking on a dadgum popsicle driving forward. What do y'all want?
It's weird how genetics.
Yeah.
We want someone to get on Papa's four-wheeler.
But you know, you stop and think of how many.
Oh, I got you.
Or we can die.
Y'all can't drive that thing.
Yeah, we can.
No, you can't.
You can do the pedals. I can actually steer.
Do what?
I can steer while you do the pedals.
No. How about?
That's what me
How about?
and Papa do.
Do what? Well, yeah, but I'm cooking.
Well, there were 6 of us. There's only me and your
Knucklehead.
Oh, you're not putting me anywhere. I'll be putting you probably before you put me.
There was 6 of them?
Yeah, they lost. Yeah, they lost the girl.
So only Harry and Woody left.
Yeah, Woody and me are the only.
Oh,
two
you
left.
said you and Jerry. I was like, what the hell are you talking about?
How was church
And
today?
Woody ain't gonna come here to see her.
You might.
How was church today?
It was good.
You see right there by that fence where they got that trail worn out? It's going to take forever to get grass to grow. I'm going to have to make them stop.
I can take her to track.
Yeah. To go out on top there and come around this way. Yeah, they got a heck of a track worn out. Uh-oh. It's Nader versus Ricky Bobby.
Yeah. I see her get shit on her face. She'll freak out.
You do go through that sewer. Then,
Well, it's a little dry when I mowed this morning. Dry.
no, y'all exactly talking about that. Should be here on the four-wheeler today. We had poop Friday.
Jen, did you see? Hey, do you want that TV over there? And that TV there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
What do I need to go get? Ketchup? I forgot ketchup.
Why don't you send Harper?
It's ready. Y'all go ahead. Michael, turn this light.
Oh, it's right there, buddy. That one size hot dogs, the one size.
Right back up today.
Right.
It's just that late winter's trying to stick around for a little bit.
Hey, the Razorbacks were last night.
Yes.
What score?
84 to 78.
Something like that. I forgot. I was nervous. No.
Good though.
Yeah. Well, that guard, he was pretty good.
They won't play again till Monday, Tuesday.
Thursday, I think. Friday.
Take the location now.
San Jose.
Yeah.
Want me to help you, Harper? No.
Is that all you're going to eat, babe? Look at the shirt. Look at the shirt.
One leg, one flank here.
Sun chips are the best, ain't they?
I like garden sauce.
Yeah. Can you believe that Paris actually eats those? Yeah.
Eats what?
Garden salsa sun chips. Yeah, right there. It,
Hold the brake.
argue with a fence post. What's up, Atticus?
Yeah, I fixed it, lowered these seatbelts.
Huh?
I raised them seatbelts up.
What seatbelt?
They said they were too long.
Yeah, how did you fix it?
Just pull on them. Yeah, put that one all the way down. That makes it cool.
This?
Yeah, pull that. Pull the other one.
Show me.
Well, he's your dad. He's been in your life your whole life. They're like a bunch of little kids, ain't they? You see them take that where they come off of that asphalt. Old boy's coming to stain that all this deck and stuff Thursday.
Oh,
Yeah.
the fly down.
think she likes it more. She's an idiot. She's your sister, though.
Pull it through, roll that thing.
Said, I will hopefully never ever have to wear it again, so I don't mind at all. I'll
Where
leave
they
it
at?
on my e-bike. If you want it. If
No?
not, just leave it and I'll get it next week.
Oh, your dad's
Thank
driving.
you.
Oh,
He said,
God.
it's a clip-on. I would never wear one of those in real life unless I was dating your sister. Both are very unclassy. And then I sent laughing, crying faces, and he said, please share with her, good insult shouldn't be said behind someone's back. It should be upfront and humiliating.
Uh-oh, here we go. Your grandpa. He's going wild. What is it, boy? What is it, boy?
Mike, they're drag racing.
Drag racing.
And so they're just on the garage wall. I thought that they said, we're just gonna get some more of these hooks.
It's almost time.
Well, close, wasn't it?
Yeah, I think the four-wheeler won, though.
Yeah.
We are, kind of. We didn't get the memo. So y'all was listening to Tootsie Roll? I stick Tootsie Rolls up my butt. But it tastes good.
Ashley's playlist.
Dude, no, listen, look, dude. They've been out there riding.
Hey, baby.
Drag racing?
Yeah.
What's up, Mike?
You have fun?
How you doing? All right, you? Good.
You have a good day?
Oh, yeah. Had a good day.
I just
Will
got
Barry?
here, actually. You want about a minute?
We're working it up. Oh, that's